In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to watch NFL games for free. Let's get started. First, grab a modern SD antenna. They cost around $30 and pull in crystal clear. Uncompressed SD channels like CBC, Fox, and NBC. That means every Sunday you will get your local in-market games plus Sunday night football and even the Super Bowl, all free forever, no subscriptions. Next, use free trials from services like YouTube TV, Fubo TV, or a direct TV stream. These trials usually last 5 to 14 days and give you access to ESPN and NFL Network for Monday Night Football and special games. Just don't forget to cancel before the trial ends. Set a reminder. For Thursday Night Football, the official stream is on Amazon Prime, but you can often find free co-streams on Twitch, Amazon's own platform. These alternate broadcasts are 100% legal and a fun way to catch the action. You can't watch every out-of-market game for free. That's what NFL Sunday Ticket is for. But with an antenna, free trials, and Twitch, you'll still get most of the season without paying a cent. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.